Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Pixel and Frisket Finds. My name is Michelle and this is a new episode of Come to Work with Me. We are back at work with a pile of jewelry beside me, a couple of silver bins on the other side of me, and as usual, a little stack of boxes to start off with. So we will do just that. We will start with the boxes. First one is this velvet royal blue with this pretty gold band. Inside, stuff. There's this brass signet ring. It's not been engraved yet, but it has broken. Somebody wore the heck out of it. It is so thin. But yeah, just made with brass. And then the other thing in here is this little lock with 2 keys in brass as well. That's super cute. Might be cute on a necklace, I think. That's all that was in that little blue box. Now we have 2 tiny black boxes. So let's see what's in the first one there. There is a pair of earrings. Now these are probably out of that Avon stuff. So these are gonna be some Avon specials. Snowflake earrings. Dangly. They're metal, but they have like a glitter paint on it. So that's probably Avon. And the boxes are cute with the pink inside of the lid even. And the next one, pink, is a necklace. It says NRT on it, which is an Avon mark. But this is just on a silver curb style chain. And it's got this pink faux pearl, and that's the back side, and a butterfly upon it with little rhinestones. But yeah, there it is, a little plaque there. It says NRT. It's in nice condition, but yeah, Avon. Next up is this little cutie. And there's tissue inside, protecting something precious, no doubt. And it is a set. Necklace and earring set. Here's the necklace. It's on a Singapore style chain. And it's, I don't know, rhinestone on silver. And yeah, the chain is like a Singapore twist, but it's also got this big piece someone's added onto it to extend it, which is okay. No mark on the necklace at all. And then the earrings match. They're a screw back, like a lever back screw back, which is, I think, ideal when it comes to a screw back if you're gonna wear a screw back, because you can still operate it like a clip-on and adjust how squeezy it is. But yeah, the earrings just simply match the necklace. It's a pretty set, but I don't know. I don't think it's something that I would list on its own. Ah, the Burks box is empty. Nothing in there. Oh well. I can't throw any of these boxes away. All of the clamshells I get, and most of the cardboard boxes. I have boxes of boxes at this point, and I just can't throw them away. I love them all. Like this one. Look at her. Ooh. That's a cool box. That's a very, very cool box. So let's see what we've got inside here. It's a variety. It's a variety of stuff. So let's see, first of all, there is this, a heavy glass faux pearl strand. They're kind of a peachy color, really pretty, very, very weighty. They have a lot of weight. They are knotted in between. The clasp is a box clasp looking like this. It's kind of like a starburst thing happening. There's no mark, or is there? No mark, but that's okay. The box clasp works, and it's quite long. A bit too long for me, but I like the quality of it. It's a very nice quality faux pearl. And then there is a bracelet here. It is a similar tone in pearl. They're smaller, it's a triple strand. The clasp is really pretty, but it's, you know, it's different. It's not a set. They're not meant to be together. They just are. And we'll check. Yeah, no mark there. Nothing missing on the clasp either. I think that's a pretty bracelet. It's heavy as well. It's a glass faux pearl. Now, opposite of heavy, this one. This is like aluminum and it's hollow link. So this thing feels like fabric in my hands. It feels very, very lightweight. It does have a hook closure, and it is marked something Germany. Anyway, it's kind of interesting the way it's like linked together. It's kind of cool. Another necklace, sort of a choker style. It's on gold tone, and the links have sort of this textured finish that fades from red to cream. It does have a hook closure at the end here. No, a name would be nice. It feels pretty Coro. No marks, but vintage style. Oh, and there's earrings to match that aluminum Germany. There. But that's a little set there, isn't it? In one of my favorite boxes ever, cardboard boxes. You know, I don't discriminate when it comes to boxes. Now, I think we'll go to the silver bin before we get more jewelry going. The big one, the big silver bin. Nah, the little one. That's adorable. Look at that. Oh, it's cute! And I wonder if there's any marks on it. It's marked right here. It's Webster sterling. Should be able to find something there. I do find actually quite a bit of antique baby rattle stuff. And there's some weird ones out there. I hope I find one today and we get to talk about it, or soon, out of these silver bins. I haven't like perused through already, so I don't know what's in there. There might be one in there. I know we've talked about them before, but there's been so many episodes of this. Okay, here's this little dude. That's pretty cute. Looks like that ashtray from a few episodes ago, kind of an idea. I love the detail work that they've put into the lid. And there's the back side of it. It says made in Israel 900, so it's not 925, it's 900. It's just empty. I don't know what was in there before. It looks like something was kept in there. To be honest, it looks like a couple of blue whale fish candies maybe in there. Or something like that. They look fish shaped. I don't know. Anyway, cute. Love that for me. And back to the silver bin. We got two things out of there. Let's see. I'll go to the big one. A spoon. Well, a ladle. A very pretty little ladle. I guess this is probably for gravy with that hardcore stiletto style handle. I'm guessing gravy. It's so pretty though on the inside here. The detail that goes on, how the flowers, I guess maybe we're going this way, they're just sort of spilling up and through. And it is marked. It says 925 over 1000. What does that mean? Blair and Crawford. I think we should go back to some jewelry now. Here's a brooch. It's got multiple colored stones and gold heart and flowers. How sweet is that? And there's the back side. Oh, I do see a mark though. It says GF, so it's gold fill. And I don't know, I might start a fight in the comments here, but the way I understand gold fill, the way it was taught to me by my boss, and I buy gold for part of my job, so I need to know if something's gold or not before I pay someone for it. Anyway, gold fill, he explained to me, is like, as opposed to gold plated, which would be a thin coating over top, gold fill is like if you were to add blue food dye into a cake batter, and then you bake your cake, and no matter where you slice your cake, it's going to be blue all the way throughout, even though you've only put just a little bit of blue in there. Same kind of thing. It's not a plating, so it's not going to wear off, and for that reason is a little bit more valuable than gold plated, but still not something that we can buy for melt value. And it says a maker's mark as well. I need my loop. Let's take a look. GF, and then there's some symbols. I don't know. I cannot tell what it is, if anything. So we're moving on. The next thing I have over here is another brooch, but it's a sparkly one. Ooh, we love a sparkly one. Let's get up close and take it in. This one has some of my favorite colors. It's got like a garnet red, AB coated on the clear. There's two different yellows in there, so like a topaz and a citrine yellow. I really like that color combination. It gives brown feelings, but there's no brown there. She's pretty. And the back side looks like this. Nothing telling me who, nothing like that, but it is nicely constructed. So that's a quality little rhinestone brooch. All of the pieces are there. That's huge. Okay, another sparkly one here. But this time it's a little less exciting because she's just clear sparkly, but again has all of the stones. I do like these little clusters of 4 that are happening there, and I like the long navette or marquee stone cut as well. And there's the backside again. It's very nicely made. I really half expect to see the word Sherman on there or something, but alas, no name, just pretty. I found a little box beside me here. It says Rochelle's Jewelers, wherever Rochelle may be. It's a glass pendant on just like a costume chain. It's not sterling or anything, but this glass piece is always pretty. I am always infatuated with a glass piece, whether it's jewelry or otherwise. And then this one's got a couple of beads added to the bottom. That'll go for like in a craft bin for sure. Maybe we'll go to the little silver bin because we got that spoon out of the big one last time. What is it? I have no idea. I'm gonna look before you. Should we do an intuition test? I think so. This is a brooch, and it is themed after a sport. Perhaps you'll guess, but I will let you know now that it's golf. I find a lot of golf stuff in my travels here, whether it's like sterling silver tee, ball marker set or whatever. I found one of those from Burke's once, and anyway, this one's got, looks like a wedge or a driver. That's not a driver. It's got a golf club right there and a golf ball. It's got a pair of shoes. These are little cleats. They're pointy. And on the back, it does have a mark. It says MEX 925. And it's, I don't know. They say golf stuff sells, so Anyway, that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, click subscribe. That way we can hang out again. I'm trying to upload every Sunday, every 3 Sundays, skip 1. It doesn't always happen that way, and I just took a little bit of a break, and I'm happy to be back filming something so that I can keep this party going, because I got stuff. I got so much stuff we gotta look at, you guys. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.